Welcome to the policypass video training module on the Emergency Medical Response Policy. This policy ensures immediate and effective first aid for children, staff and visitors in case of illness or injury, with qualified staff always available. The aim of this policy is to ensure at least one qualified first aider is present at all times, provide prompt, appropriate care for injuries and illness, maintain compliance with all regulations and standards, and support ongoing staff training and readiness. Implementation includes keeping up-to-date first aid, CPR, anaphylaxis and asthma qualifications for staff, maintaining accessible, well-stocked first aid kits on-site and for excursions, recording all incidents and notifying families within 24 hours, and regularly reviewing and updating first aid procedures. Management responsibilities include ensuring adequate resources and staff training, keeping a register of staff qualifications and kit checks, reviewing incident reports and updating policy as needed, and supporting staff wellbeing after serious incidents. Educators and staff are responsible for responding quickly and calmly to injuries or illness, following first aid procedures and using protective equipment, documenting incidents accurately and communicating with families and management, and staying current with first aid training. Families are responsible for providing up-to-date health information for their child, authorising medication and informing the service of any medical needs, and updating contact details and discussing any concerns about first aid procedures. By working together, we ensure a safe environment where first aid is delivered effectively, supporting every child's health and well-being. Thank you for watching this training module on the Emergency Medical Response Policy. Let's continue to keep children safe by staying prepared and responsive in every situation.